change the plans. So because of the fact that we take so long for reach, we was like, you know, we want a different vibe. Rather than being in the studio, we can take the equipment out of the studio and go upstairs to the bar. I don't know if you can see it, but there. And then just vibe, you know. Welcome back to another video, but we're here Monday, first start of the week, and another day in the life of a Guyanese Forex trader. So we're currently on the road. Shout out the gang, Keith in the house. We're about to make a few spins in town, but I ain't even showing you the screen. But here you can see the screen here. I'm rolling with the laptop. So yeah, wait. Now you can see the screen. Yeah, I roll it with the laptop. So earlier I had a piece of footage that I was just recording on the laptop. I didn't have the camera open, but you saw when I entered the trade and all of this happened, but you didn't see when I exited the trade. I called it out to the community, so I'm still going back in, but I just want to wait for a higher entry at somewhere like around this point. Let me see if I can mark it up. At this like fair value gap right here. I know I can't draw a straight line right now, but you could tell straight out in time from this point. So we waiting on that and we on the road. So at certain points I'm gonna open up that back. At certain points I'm gonna open up back the camera and fill you all in, but for right now, we can check in later.
So man, you gotta go to the next job site here, yeah. I mean, you gotta see the name, yeah. I mean, watch it there, going to the gate there. Yeah, you gotta go tell over so right there. You gotta go. We'll be right back. Make a next little spin, yeah. I mean.
All right, y'all. So we back and make a couple spins in town, and we got
I had to get
food.
the burgers.
Oh, it's fun.
I had to pick up Big Kahuna. What a burger!
Yeah, I see it.
Head off.
But yeah, so we about to make one more stop, and it's back to the crib. I don't know if you get it set up. Let me show you. I'll open it so I can see it a little bit better, but
I'm waiting for this all day.
a burger bus in. But yeah, I could be able to see. Yeah. We can get into this. I know it, boss, and I ain't even gonna ground y'all with any taste test or so, because I know it tastes good. Probably went too close when I said it just now, son. I'd say, but yeah, we can check in with you periodically. The trade still, if in around, it's still there basically by the entry, so yeah, no movement and on something happens, something happen. Check in with y'all. If you're new around here, my name is Kevon Roach, and I've been trading for the past 5 years now. And I created this channel to share every trade that I take, along with the tips and tricks that I've learned along my 5-year trading journey that has helped me, and hopefully it could help you. So if that sounds like it's something interesting to you, make sure to subscribe and like the video so it can also go out there for more persons interested in trading. We're growing, releasing a video every 2 days, so yeah, tag along for the journey. Anyways, it's Wednesday, and so far for the week I only took one trade on Monday, which was a TP trade nevertheless, even though I closed this one a little bit early instead of holding it for full TP. The members of the community managed to catch that one. And here we have another trade taken on Wednesday, so I took no trades yesterday. I was about to say that I saw an opportunity, but realistically I didn't get the chance, so just didn't enter any trades. Today, however, I'm in this buy trade and not so confident about the take profit. I might look at this area above this high for a possible exit should we push to the upside, but it depends on the candlestick formation once we get to this area. The reason I didn't just send this out or make this the target in the first place is because it would mean I have a negative RR. So currently risking 136 pips for 158, but if I brought it there, it would only be 108 or 109 pips. So yeah, there's that, 159. So by the way, we're still with SIEG Fund. We still have this $10,000 account active. We have not reached the target as yet. It's been, hold on, like four weeks, almost 4 weeks, probably 3 weeks and something. This week I probably make the 4th week or the 1 month since we have this account. What am I up by? I can't really see the percentage. Or can I? Okay, right. So I can't really see the percentage, but we have $553 of $800 as the target. This is the 1-step challenge for SIEG Fund. Yeah, no stop loss and 90% profit split. So as you guys should know, if you're, if you watch my videos, I don't care about the target. I don't care about the 800. The balance was up at 600 and something dollars already, so I really don't care. But as I said before, I really like this layout that SIEG Fund has here. So yeah, let's see how best we could work with it. And it's going good. It's going good. Anyways, we're actively watching the market. Actually get popcorn, eating, watching the market. So yeah, smooth day. It's 12 o'clock in the damn day. I don't even know how we got here so fast, but didn't see any opportunities this morning. And as you guys know, I don't trade before 9:30, so yeah, got the first opportunity right now and we're taking it. Let's see how this one goes. I'm gonna rent to myself if this is like a trade in the wrong direction, but let's see. I don't know. Send this out to the community as well, so yes, I'm gonna go start editing another video. By the way, if you guys are interested in checking out SIEG Fund and you would like to purchase an account from them, you can check out the referral link in the description that gives you a 12% discount on any account purchase. So make sure to check that out if you are interested in trying SIEG Fund. But yeah, this is the trade. I just wanted to open the camera and give you guys that update. And I'm gonna come back and update you once we move from where we are right now, hopefully to the upside, but ain't forcing it. So we reached the studio. I could even see me, bro. Right. And change the plans. So because of the fact that we take so long for reach, we was like, we want a different vibe. Rather than being in the studio, we can take the equipment out of the studio and go upstairs to the bar. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there. And then just vibe, But I'm gonna carry y'all with me. It obviously ain't gonna keep y'all on while we recording, because I look camera shy. I can't hear me voice cracking up and everything like that, and then come for me in the comments. But yeah, man, hope y'all enjoy the little studio vibes, life outside the charts. It's Saturday, so I'm still a full-time Forex trader, but on Saturdays I still got something else to do, and I'm a musician on the weekends, so ain't let the squad keep any kind of watching blues on the phone, but
Yo! Hold on. That came in a little too fast.
with a special, special, with a special. Yeah, I can see John. John can't see y'all, but this nigga right here. Live on direct.
Hey guys.
Yeah. But yeah, sit y'all in the car now. And yeah, I can see the setup. So we got mic, speakers, laptop. Basically all we need, an interface.
Alright. I know what I do bring in.
dog's real. My dog's real. My dog's real. That is it. You like that, bro? You like that piece of bar there? Your dog's real.
But I'm not for the right piece, you know.
Yeah. Alright, let me see how real the dog's are real. Play it loud. The party?
It's like a more.
Tough, man.
Yeah.
Tough.
It's not good, but it's bad.
Tough ice. Yo. Yo. Wow. Right there. Mom, do something, huh? It's not for you. It's you. It's probably who connecting to the rim. Who connecting to the rim now? You know, come. Don't floor, man. They gotta give you. Yeah, go. But with me catching the floor down, you get it smooth.